Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best diesel pump is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with diesel fuel transfer, whether for agricultural machinery, construction equipment, or even marine applications, ensuring that you have a reliable and efficient way to move fuel from one location to another without spills or complications, making it a critical component for maintaining operations and minimizing downtime. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech 12V Diesel Transfer Pump Kit. Tired of slow and messy fuel transfers? This powerful 12-volt pump kit makes moving diesel or light oils quick and easy. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. Experience consistent and dependable performance with its self-priming design. The robust motor ensures efficient oil transfer, making on-site jobs a breeze. Take full control of your fuel transfer with the adjustable nozzle trigger. Safety features like a bypass valve and strainer ensure a secure, clog-free, and stable operation. This versatile electric pump is your all-in-one solution for various low-viscosity fuels. It's perfect for use with cars, boats, lawn mowers, and many other applications. Constructed with a durable copper motor and a steel shell, this portable pump is built for lasting service. Enjoy superior strength and endurance for years of reliable use. What we like. This pump offers a high flow rate for quick transfers. If you need a complete kit with all accessories included for immediate use, this is a great choice. Its sturdy build ensures it will last through many uses. What people say. The pump is self-priming and has a built-in filter, which is convenient for clean fuel transfer. It comes with a good length of hose and a sturdy metal nozzle, making it easy to use for various applications. The 12V operation is efficient and suitable for use with car batteries or portable power sources. Number 4. BLACKHORSE-RACING 12V Portable Fuel Transfer Pump. Experience rapid oil and diesel extraction with its powerful 175W motor. It efficiently transfers up to 45 liters per minute, saving you valuable time. This pump ensures dependable performance with its self-priming rotating vane design. The integrated on-off switch and bypass valve provide safe and reliable operation every time. Forget the heavy lifting. It can pump oil up to 32 feet, making on-site transfer from barrels and drums to your vehicles incredibly convenient. Power it easily with your car, motorcycle, van, or quad. Its 12V connectors offer broad compatibility with various vehicles. This device is optimized for diesel, biodiesel, and kerosene. Please note it is not suitable for low flammability fuels like gasoline. What we like. With its powerful motor, this pump can transfer fuel quickly. It includes safety features like a bypass valve for reliable operation. If you need to transfer fuel from barrels or drums without lifting them, this pump's convenient lift capability makes it ideal. What people say. The pump is self-priming and can lift fluid from a depth of 5 meters. It features a built-in filter to prevent debris from entering the pump, ensuring cleaner fuel transfer. The motor is designed for continuous operation and has thermal overload protection. Number 3. Fill-Rite FR4204H12V Fuel Transfer Pump. This pump is built to last with a durable cast iron construction, designed to withstand tough operating conditions. It even comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Installing this fuel pump is a breeze thanks to its removable junction box. It rotates 180 degrees, making electrical wiring and installation in tight spots much simpler. Engineered to meet strict safety standards, it features thermal overload protection. This prevents the motor from overheating, even during unusual use. Experience consistent flow performance with its advanced rotary vane technology. It maintains its efficiency even as parts naturally wear over time. Perfect for mobile use, it's designed for 12V battery power and bung mounting. It easily transfers fuel from tanks on trailers or trucks, pulling fuel up to 8 feet and discharging it up to 37 feet. What we like. This pump is built with durable cast iron for tough environments and comes with a lifetime warranty. Its design allows for easy installation, even in tight spaces. If you're looking for a pump that is protected against overheating and built to last, this is a solid option. What people say. The pump is self-priming and has a built-in filter, which is convenient for clean fuel transfer. It comes with a good length of hose and a sturdy metal nozzle, making it easy to use for various applications. The 12V operation is efficient and allows for easy connection to a vehicle's battery or a portable power source. Number 2. 12V Fuel Transfer Pump. Introducing our 12V Fuel Transfer Pump, designed for efficient fuel delivery. It boasts an 80W pure copper motor, capable of pumping up to 120 gallons per hour. This pump makes fuel transfer easy. It comes with all necessary hoses and accessories, allowing you to move gasoline between tanks or containers effortlessly. Take it anywhere with its portable suitcase design. It offers ample space for storage and features ergonomic handles and a pressure release valve for safe and convenient use. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of vehicles and equipment. It's perfect for UTVs, RVs, boats, cars, planes, and tractors. Please remember, this device operates on a 12V power supply only. It is not compatible with 110V AC to DC converters. What we like. This pump offers efficient fuel delivery and comes in a convenient carrying case for portability. It's very easy to use with a simple cigarette lighter plug or battery clips. If you need a portable and user-friendly solution for transferring fuel, especially for vehicles, boats, or equipment, this is a great pick. What people say. The pump is self-priming and can lift fluid from a depth of 5 meters. It has a built-in filter that prevents debris from entering the engine. The pump is made of durable materials and is designed for heavy-duty use. Number 1. TaskStar Battery-Powered Fuel Transfer Pump. Tired of being tied down by cords? This cordless fuel transfer pump offers ultimate convenience. Move fuel effortlessly anywhere, from portable tanks to farm equipment, without being restricted by power outlets. Get up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge with its convenient 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. Refueling your machinery is now faster and more flexible than ever. Cut down your refueling time significantly. This pump delivers an impressive 12 gallons per minute, transforming a tedious manual task into a quick and efficient job. It can draw fuel from up to 16.4 feet below and lift it up to 32.8 feet. This powerful performance makes it ideal for various tank configurations and hard-to-reach fuel sources. Perfect for diesel and kerosene transfers in farms, construction sites, and more. It's designed for vehicles, agricultural machinery, boats, and generators, making it a versatile tool for many applications. Work with confidence thanks to the auto shut-off nozzle and power cut-off features. It also includes a filter to ensure your fuel remains clean and free from impurities. This complete kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. It includes hoses, a nozzle, battery, charger, and more, so no additional purchases are necessary. What we like. Experience ultimate convenience with its cordless operation, allowing you to work anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. The auto-off nozzle adds an extra layer of safety and prevents overfilling. If you prioritize flexibility, speed, and safety for your fuel transfer needs, especially in remote locations or for farm equipment, this pump is an excellent choice. What people say. The pump is a good value for the money. It is a great pump for the price. This pump is a great buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.